Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ignore this, अभी पानी पी रहा था तो गिर गया. I'm very frustrated because I've been collabing and doing branded stuff, right? And it's just so fucking insane. People who do this shit, I was underestimating the work that goes into. It's not even about work, it's about authenticity. You guys know me, like I would post anything on my Instagram. I don't think like, is it edited or is it catchy? Will people watch this under 3 seconds? Like, will I grab their attention span? Like, what? I don't think. I just post, okay? It's fun. It's just fun to post, okay? But brands are killing me. They're killing me. But I need to get the bag. I need money. I need to get rich. I need to do more stuff with money. And like, but brands I hate brands. You know, I'm just, yes, awesome. Please support all the collab videos that I put out because there is a lot of work. There is a lot of back and forth. There's just a lot going on behind the scenes. I just want to say that it's so frustrating to see brands be so nitpicky about the things they post, and a lot of them. Oh, I've been approached by a lot of brands. Not a lot, but like initially when I was blowing up, a lot of people have reached out to me for stuff which I don't really use. You know, sometimes it's like, oh, I've been approached by some skin whitening company, whatever brand. I genuinely don't remember the name of. I would name drop. You all know me, but I don't remember them. But they were like, and I was like, no way, I'm gonna promote a skin whitening product. Like, what the fuck? It's 2025. Then there was this one brand where they were like, I think selling some cream for acne, and I was like, never in my life have I ever had acne. Thank God, gratefully, thanks to the universe. And they were like, just lie that you had. I was like, what the fuck is wrong with you? I hate brands. I hate every single brand ever, I think, now at this point. And yeah, that happened. Then there was this one, and I try to be very mindful with whatever brands I choose to work with, because I don't want to just become somebody who does brand deals. I'm not that person, but I hope you guys understand why am I doing them, because I do need the money, and the money will only help me to get better at my work, which is having fun and masti. That's the only reason, honestly. But I'm still very mindful of what I choose. This one brand came up to us, and you know, they wanted to do something with the bachpan ki pictures that I post. They wanted to do a brand collab with that, and I was like, I can't do that. I'm sorry. That was very personal to me and my followers and everybody who has shared that, you know, that series and who waits for the next part for the series. Like, it's just very personal between me and the people who follow me. So I denied that, even though I was getting a good amount of money for that. Not that I am like, oh wow, great person to do that, but I'm just very, brands are so like, कि नहीं यार, कर लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, कर लो, अरे, plus every single fucking time anybody is ever collabing, the brand or the agency is always like, it should not look like an ad. Bro, if it's an ad, it will look like an ad. Everybody is going to know it's an ad. Like, why would a random person come on their account and be like, oh my god, I love this product, this is the best product ever, you should buy it? Why would somebody do that for free? Unless they actually really love the product, which is very rare. Like, it's just very rare for a person to promote 10 things and say ki, oh, it's not branded. It is definitely fucking branded, and everybody knows that. If I'm talking about something in particular, if I'm making a 1-minute video about something, of course. Anyways, got a call. If I'm talking about something in particular for whole minute, of course it's a fucking brand deal. And it's a said law. Like, if you are promoting something, if you're selling something to your followers, trying to sell something, you have to mention it's an ad, and it is always mentioned in the caption that it's an ad. You know what? Some companies will tell you to remove that. And you shouldn't, of course, if you are a budding creator or if you want to do something in the influencer area, whatever. AC garmi lagi yaar, ek second. If it's an ad, you mention it's an ad in the caption. That is legally something you should do. Okay? Even if the biggest brands ever tell you, can you remove the... No, you don't. No, you can't. And biggest brands will tell you to do that, which is so insane. Like, you are such a big brand, and then you are like, can you remove the ad hashtag? No, I can't. But yeah, it's just fucking crazy. Influencer game is not as fun and easy as everybody thinks on the internet. And कि ओहो ये तो भाई existing के पैसे इनके तो existence से ही पैसे कमा लेते हैं ये लोग. नहीं, I mean I'm sure people who have like 10 million 2 million like ऐसे होते हैं तो उसमें मस्ती होती होगी थोड़ी सी. But people who are like I think 500 के भी होते हैं जिनके इतना ही मतलब बड़ा भसड़ होती है. Like if they are trying to be authentic on the internet, then it's a very tough game to be on the internet because everybody is just trying to make you sell something which you don't even want to sell, which you don't even use. It's fine. It's fucking fine. But yeah, it's a tough life out there, guys. Don't take it like for chilly and fun ki अरे यार ये तो भाई ये तो मतलब I'm just saying in general because I've seen a lot of people say कि भाई हमने मेडिकल की डिग्री करी 7 साल और ये इन्फ्लुएंसर मुझसे ज़्यादा कमा रहा है. भाई वो काम भी कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. And if you think you can do a job that they are doing, like be a creator or be an influencer, then definitely do that. It's an amazing place to be. It's very fun, but you can't. That's why you are doing medical. And I'm also doing a law degree which I am working on, and I don't feel like oh my god मैं law क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मुझसे ज़्यादा तो influencer कमा रहा है. Even though I'm doing both kind of, I think if my profession makes me more money, then I might choose that over this whole thing. But like yeah, it's not that crazy. Like it's not कि भाई ये तो, of course when you look at big people, then they have worked their way through that, right? And if you blame like oh भाई ये तो COVID की वजह से famous हो गई, ये तो ये हो गए तो वो हो गए, then you are just being shallow. Like I think everybody has done a certain amount of work to get where they are on the gram. And of course there are a lot of people who are problematic and stuff, which is obviously there, which will always be there, and they're still famous. वो तो फिर हम क्या ही कहें. But I think influencers and creators get a lot of hate for being who they are. कि भाई ये तो ऐसे ही कमा लेते हैं पैसा ऐसे. बहुत चिक लगती है भाई, बहुत चिक परेशान हो गया मैं. It's fine, okay. I'm gonna go and I don't know, crash out more. I think आज तो बहुत ही गुस्सा आ गया यार, बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्सा. See you later. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Please, love you.